Hi, Memao Akwaba to my channel. I believe you are doing well. Today I want to share with you a kwanya me faswa me this Koobi you are seeing. Koobi is simply salted tilapia. My phone is not in a good shape for translating, so I will use the two languages. Fortunately for me, the tap was running into no I gave it a very good deep cleaning. After this, me mano sit in a vinegar solution for about 5 minutes. Afterwards, made the tissue and a napkin a paper in swimming enough for it to be dried. When I was done, I gave it a salt baptism. If there's something I would do differently next time, is to use not the sea salt for the head area. I would rather use the table salt, the grounded salt for the head, because I believe it will penetrate much more than the rocky ones. So what necessitated this was that a friend in UK reached out and said Koobi. And looking at how the prices of Koobi is going, I said to myself, say, I already have tilapia and salt, and the sun is shining now. Inti ade na me ankasa minye Koobi bi for a try. So I visited YouTube and went to the Faculty of Food. I saw say Sweeter Jelly, Imelda, and Assis Kitchen. They have shared lessons on this. So quickly, I put the 3 lessons I learned from these 3 ladies together. And I mean, so me try. Into go be no after everything no, and I made the see a real me babe check after 1 hour no. Na me who say ensuo bebre asone every mu. Many G if it's na Koobi no ahya se chinchine an etwintwam emu nsuo na dry up. That is what I mean. At the end of day 1 no, I took the tilapia inside and removed almost all the salt from it. I cleaned it off the salt, and I lay a bed of salt, a new bed of salt with napkins down and top. Me and the old daily ekataso, and I'm a man wait to extract the excess water therein. So this is it the following morning. Let me say this before I forget. I discarded all the salt at this level. Anyway, day 2. And the video speaks for itself, so I will not dwell so much on the explanation. The person is Dawase for sticking and staying with me from the beginning of this YouTube journey. If you are an OG, I want to say thank you so much for always stopping by to watch my videos. And if today is your first time here, I want to say a big thank you and akwaba to you. Subscribe to be a part of this wonderful family so we grow together. Don't be silent after watching this video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, because in for say because be so man can be there yechi. To tell you the truth, this is one of the easiest recipes or videos you can bring out, but I have never prayed on a recipe than this one, because tilapia price doesn't price. So I was so much praying that I end up with all the tilapia. Even if a bit will spoil, it shouldn't be all. And thankfully, I had 4 out of 5. Dehydration process no lasted for 5 days. So I will take it out into the sun during the day, bring it in, add more salt when the need arise. For 5 days, I realized say the Koobi was completely dried. I told you I was taking it to a friend in the UK, so I couldn't wait for it to be bare twintwan. So now akoye ne ho say Koobi sardine line. We waited for has come to pass. See what the Lord has done. So this particular one couldn't stand the test of time. It got rotten from the head. That is why I said next time I will use the grounded salt or the table salt in the head area. On this note, I want to say thank you for your time with me. I went ahead to share with you all the struggles I went through in making this video or this Koobi, because I want you to know that if I've been able to do it, you can also do it. And again, for you to know that we are not magicians. Sometimes we do try and error. Sometimes we fail, but most of the time we succeed. That is why we are able to share with you every now and then beautiful videos, mouth-watering recipes. Why? Until you to give it a try, and I know say, what do you know so? Ebefa. Bye bye.